am here for round 1. My hand isn't spectacular, but it's not horrible. He's playing first, he mold. I think with that in mind, I think I can actually keep this hand. I have a draw spell, I have a mirror, so I can no matter what play those 2 spells. I would not like to mulligan. And does he keep his hand? Yeah, he keeps his hand. So it's his upkeep. Turn 1, unless we draw up plains right here. Plains. Oh, that's a pretty sad day. Actually, there's no real point to play this. I mean, we're just gonna waste it to draw a card. I think waiting for it is fine, because we have action. We don't need to play this guy out. He is playing blue, obviously. Blue-red. He is gonna do exactly what we do, but we have more cards in hand. And that card is good. So next turn, I'm gonna play out 2 cards and hopefully have him on mine. That guy's good. This guy's better though. Hopefully I draw land next turn. I mean, if not, I'm probably just going to bounce his flyer. This guy. I've actually not been very impressed with this guy. I think I've only bounced a couple creatures with him, and I've drafted him quite a bit. He ends up usually just being a 2/2 flyer for 4. I take 2. He has 5 mana, 3 cards in hand. Well, I'll take 4. As long as he doesn't have any green, that does nothing against us. Okay, so we are not drawing white. I'm just gonna go ahead and play this. No. He could have a counter spell. I'm just gonna bounce his guy. See what he has. Like, he didn't even respond. That could be the wrong play, but now I get board position, and I don't risk my guy. No point to attack, he's just gonna block. I mean, and then he's gonna tap out, and I can play my Sphinx. Yeah. Okay. Still would like to draw some land. Just gonna run this guy out there. I'm not going to keep this up. I'm gonna leave mana open, because if he does have a shatter and then a removal spell, I'll be kind of screwed. So now I have a sweet flyer that he cannot deal with. Unless he plays Arc Trail, Artifact, and it's pretty good. Okay. So this turn, he probably thinks I'm just playing mono blue at this point. I think the correct play, can he do anything? He can shatter, and even if he blocks, yeah, he only has one card in hand. I'm just gonna swing. Whatever race he puts me into, I'm winning it. Just gonna play this Chrome Steed, even if he counters it. Yeah, he doesn't. So he's one card in hand, he's about to have two. I can bounce this at any time, and now I have a 4/4. I mean, it just gets blocked by that guy, but at any point I can give a flying and swing over for some extra damage. Or he'll block or bounce. But either way, this is a removal spell, or 4 damage in the face. And again, nothing. We just continue our beats. It looks like he's just drawing land. We're gonna attack. Attack. There you go. He decides to attack, finally. He goes to 12 unless he bounces it. Yeah, like he doesn't have a counter spell in hand, or he would have bounced it and then I would have played it in probably, or he would have tried to counter it. Just gonna play more creatures out. No reason not to. Oh. Guess I'm playing this wrong. I actually should be removing this end of turn. Is very incorrect of me. That card's pretty good. Okay. I could bounce this guy. And at this point, I'm just gonna give my Chrome Steed flying and draw a card. Yeah, see, that's exactly why. Like, I really needed that plains. Let's go undo. Let's not do that right now. Oh, we can't swing. Because if he blocks, I can just remove it. I'm just gonna get out my new Smith. Is that 8? This battle's not looking good for him. He has one card in hand, a lot of land out. Okay, so if I bounce this guy, he would probably in turn bounce my guy back. But if then I could swing for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and he would block. this right here. Gonna block my mirror. Probably. Oh, I'm gonna take 2. Oh wait, I'm also. I think I'm gonna bounce this. I'm so close to actually just winning this game that pushing in through damage, and then it forces him to tie up 6 mana next turn. I mean, I know he has lots of it, but if he draws a ball, he can't play it. Hmm. Let's just hope he doesn't have something ridiculous for me. I should have tapped it for mana. That was a big play mistake on my part. Yeah. Oh, I didn't mean to play that. Oops. Well, that was bad of me. I didn't mean to play that. Oh well. He has 3 cards in hand. We know what one of them is. And it's a blocker. He blocks this or this, but he's at 4. And he gets it. Okay. Game 2. He drew a lot of lands. That's for sure. So he's just blue. I assume this is actually kind of good in the mirror match. We can go a little more control. What would I cut though? Cut the whole shock replica. Not very good against him. Put this guy in. Or I can do the cult order. What did he have? He had a couple of fires. I think this would just be better. I will see you guys game 2.